So I'm outside Gaudi's very first house in Barcelona. Look at that, it's absolutely stunning. But the bit I've loved all of it. I just come around and I just love the inventiveness of everything he did, and the fact that he broke away from tradition. But the bit that makes me giggle, the bit I want to share with you guys for kind of what we think about on this YouTube channel, which is how to develop, how to grow, how to become more successful in property, is, so he was an architecture student and he did extremely well. He was clearly bursting with ideas. They showed a lot of his early projects, and you know, the guy, or the kid, didn't stop still. He did masses of projects, and big ones as well. Didn't always get through, but he had great vision. And so as a student, one of his early awards, he got a special, an extraordinary award, which allowed him really, I suppose, to become more well known. And then this really telling bit, which just made me giggle, he for his final project, he put in this, you know, enormous project which had basically influences of every single type of architecture going, and the commentary was very dry. It said he got the lowest award possible. So this Gaudi in Barcelona is world known. We're trying to do stuff that changes our personal lives. We don't need to be world known, but I guess the moral of the story is try and try again, and every now and again those around you are not going to particularly appreciate what you do, but also you don't know, and it just makes me laugh because, you know, it must have been an enormous disappointment for him as a young architect at the time, but of course now you look back and you're like, yeah, it's just a blip. So when something doesn't go quite right, perhaps from that thing that it doesn't go quite right, there are seeds of what you want to develop later on, and you'll take your success from the failure or almost failure of whatever it is you do. So just keep going. So enjoy some of my other videos from Barcelona. Look at that. It's just opened, by the way. It's the first house he designed, and it just opened a couple of months ago. We've had a fantastic tour. See you soon.